Once upon a time, there was a little bird named Breezy. Breezy had a special gift. She could fly higher than any bird in the sky. One sunny afternoon, Breezy decided to explore the world from up above. She took a deep breath, flapped her wings, and soared into the sky. As Breezy climbed higher, she saw beautiful sights. She saw rolling green hills, sparkling rivers, and vast oceans. She even spotted a rainbow, and it was more beautiful than she had ever imagined. Suddenly, Breezy noticed a small island surrounded by water. Curiosity piqued, she flew closer to investigate. On the island, she found a group of animals who were trapped by a high wall. "Hello, friends," Breezy said, landing gently on the ground. "Why are you trapped here?" The animals explained that they couldn't fly or swim high enough to escape the island. "But you can," they begged Breezy. "Please help us." Breezy thought for a moment. Then, with a determined look in her eyes, she spread her wings wide and flew up to the top of the wall. She flapped and fluttered, and after a few minutes, she managed to break through the wall. The animals cheered, and Breezy flew down to help them escape. Together, they soared into the sky, exploring the world from up above. Breezy showed them the beauty of the rolling green hills, the sparkling rivers, and the vast oceans. They even followed a rainbow, and it led them to a beautiful meadow filled with delicious fruits and flowers. From that day on, Breezy and her new friends would often meet up in the sky, exploring the world together. And every time they looked up at the sky, they were reminded that with determination and a little help, they could achieve anything. As Breezy and her friends flew off into the sunset, they whispered to each other, "The sky's the limit." And they lived happily ever after.